Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Brevo connector for Odoo by BrowseInfo. This is a seamless integration that connects your Odoo system with Brevo's powerful email marketing and CRM platform. It allows real-time import and export of contacts, campaigns, templates, sender, and more, making it easy to manage email marketing and customer data from one place. This integration boosts marketing efficiency, improve customer engagement, and help maintain a unified communication strategy across your business. So here you can find a module for email marketing. Open that. Under configuration, you will find a menu for Brevo configuration. Open that and you can create your configuration from here. I have already created my configuration. Open that. You need to enter your company name and you need to add your API key. So where do you generate your API key? Here we will come to our Brevo and here you need to create your account. Now here under BrowseInfo, you will find a menu for SMTP and API. Open that and here you will find the API key option. Open that and I have generated my API key in here. From here, generate a new API key. Click on that and you can generate your API key from here. Copy your API key and paste it into your Odoo interface. So now we will go into our Odoo interface and to check our connection with the Brevo, here we will click on test connection. Now under Brevo, we are going to Brevo folder. Click on new, enter your company name. I will be adding BrowseInfo and save it. Under that, you will find the option for import folder. Click on that and you can see all your folders in the Brevo are imported into your Odoo. Here you can see the folder and folder name. Now under Brevo only you will find a menu for list. Open that and from here you can create your new Brevo list. Now click on new and add your company name. I will be adding BrowseInfo as my company name. Save it. And now click on import list button. Here after clicking on import list button, you can see your list from Brevo are imported into your Odoo interface. Here you can see the list. Now under mailing list, we will go into the mailing list and here you can see all the list which we just imported from Brevo. Here you can see the list. Now under Brevo, we will go into the contacts and we will be creating new Brevo contacts. Now click on new, add your company name. I will be adding BrowseInfo and save it. Now click on import contacts. As soon as you click on import contacts, you can see the Brevo contacts are imported into your Odoo interface. Here you can see all the contacts. And after this, you will go into the mailing list. Under that, you will find the mailing list contacts. When you open it, you can see the contacts which we just imported from Brevo to our Odoo interface. Now under Brevo, we will go into the senders. Click on senders and we will create new Brevo sender. Click on new and add your company. I will be adding BrowseInfo as my company name and save it. Now click on import senders. As soon as you click on import senders, you can see your senders are imported into your Odoo interface. Here you can see your senders. Now after this, we will go into the campaigns. Select campaigns and you can see you can create your new Brevo mail. Here enter your company name and save it. Now click on button import mail campaign. Click on that button and you can see your mail campaigns are imported into the Odoo interface from Brevo. Here you will find a menu for campaigns. Open that and here you can see the mail campaigns we just imported from Brevo into our Odoo interface. Now you can open any one of them and you can see the details in here. Now we will go into the mailing, and here you can see the mailing. Here I will be opening this testing campaign, and in here you can see the recipients, the mailing list, and your Brevo template. Here you can see the mail body in here. You can edit it and you can just add it from here. Now under Brevo only, we will find the last option named templates. Click on that and click on new. Here add your company name. I will be adding BrowseInfo as my company name and save it. Now click on import templates, and you can see the templates are imported in your Odoo interface from Brevo. Here under mailing, you need to create a new mailing. Add your subject. I will be adding my subject as BrowseInfo. Here you need to add your recipients. Under Brevo template, select any template you want. Here you can see the sender name is also Brevo. Here you can see the mail body. Now in mailing list, I will be selecting newsletter. Here I will be selecting newsletter in my mailing list. Now save it. Here you can see you have created a new mailing. Now under mailing list, we will go and we will create a new mailing list. Enter your mailing list. I will be adding Odoo list. Now enter your folder name. I will be adding new folder, and you can save it. After this, after mailing list, you can see you have created a new mailing list. You can also see it in the list view as a. Now select that. Under action, you can find the menu for export list to Brevo. Click on that and select your Brevo connector. Select BrowseInfo and click on export list. Here you can see the connection is successful, indicating this list is created in Brevo. So to check that, we will go into our Brevo. Here we will go into the home. Here under contacts. Here under contacts, we will find a menu for list. Here you can see a Odoo list is created. You can see the list, you can see ID, folder, contacts, creation dates, and everything in here. After this, again we will come to our Odoo interface. We will go into the mailing, and under mailing list, we can find mailing list contact. Open that, and here you can create a new mailing list contact. Example, I will be creating Odoo contact list, and in here you need to add an email. I will be adding odoo@gmail.com as my example email. Now you need to select a mailing list. I will be selecting Odoo list, and I will be selecting list data in my mailing list. After this, we will save this, and you can see you have created a mailing list contact. So we will select the mailing list contact which we just created. Select that. Under action button, you will find a menu for export contact to Brevo. Select that. Select your Brevo connector. We will be selecting BrowseInfo and click on export. Here you can see this contact is created in Brevo. So check that. We will go into the Brevo. Here you can find the menu for contacts, and here you can see the Odoo contact list contact is created in here with the email and every little detail in here. You can open it and you can check the detail for this contacts. You can go into the list and you can see which lists are added in the Odoo contact list. You can see the ID and everything. Now we will come into our Odoo interface. We will go into our campaigns and we will create a new campaign. So first of all, we will go into the list view and we will click on new. Now name your campaign. I will be adding my campaign name as Odoo test campaign. Here you can see I have created one campaign. Save that and click on send mailing button. Click on send mailing button. Create a new mailing. I will be adding my subject as I will be adding a subject in here for Odoo test mailing. Now save that, enter all your information and click on enter all your information, and we will go into the Odoo test campaign. Here you can see a mailing is added which we just created by clicking on send mailing. After this, we will come into our list view and we will select the campaign which we just created. Here you can see the Odoo test campaign which we just created. Select that campaign. Here you can see the data. Now we will go into the list view again and we will enable this checkbox, and under action button you will find a menu for export campaign to Brevo. Enter your Brevo connector and click on export campaign. Here you will find a validation error. So for that we will go into the we will go into the contacts. Here you can see in Michelle admin, you need to enter the email which is entered into your Brevo. So we have entered this email, and not only here but in your email marketing, open that module, and under mailing list you need to go into the mailing list contacts, and in that also you need to enter this email to export it into the Brevo. So after this we will go into our campaigns. Here in the list view we will create a new campaign. Click on new and add your campaign name. I will be adding BrowseInfo as my campaign name. Here you can see I have written BrowseInfo Odoo test. Now after this, add anything if you want, otherwise just save it. Now click on send mailing, enter your subject. I will be entering BrowseInfo. Enter your mailing list. I will be adding this to mailing list. Add your template if you want and just save it. Now if we go into the BrowseInfo Odoo test, you can see under the mailing which we just created. Now after this we will again go into the campaign list view, and in here we will select the campaign which we just created. Select that, and under action you will find a menu for export campaign to Brevo. Select your Brevo connector. I will be selecting BrowseInfo and click on export campaign. After this you can see your campaign is exported successfully. So now we will go into our Brevo. Here under campaigns we will go into the campaigns, and in here you will find the campaign which we just created, BrowseInfo Odoo test. Here you can see the BrowseInfo Odoo test sender, the recipients, subject, and the design which we selected in the mailing. Here you can see everything. Now we will again come into our Odoo interface. We will go into the mailing list contact. Here we will go select any one contact. Example, I will be selecting this one. And if I edit this, I am editing the contact name as R1 Odoo and I am saving this. So now you can see the contact name, and if I go into the Brevo, here in contacts, you can see the R1 Odoo contact. You can edit and update everything from your Odoo into the Brevo. Again, I will be updating the contact name as R1 BrowseInfo, and I will be saving this. Here you can see the contact name. We will go into the Brevo and we will refresh the contact page. You can see the name is updated in the Brevo. So now if I go into our Odoo interface and if I delete this contact, here is the contact R1 BrowseInfo. Select that. Under action button you will find a delete option. Delete it and you can see you will come into the Brevo, refresh it, and you can see that it is deleted from your Brevo account also. So you can update or delete it into the Odoo, and you can do it vice versa. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.